In this video, we will learn about role of kidney in the formation of urine. The formation of urine in kidney occurs due to following three processes. First one is ultrafiltration, second is reabsorption, and third is secretion. Let's understand all the three processes one by one. The first process is ultrafiltration. Let's understand what ultrafiltration is. All the nitrogenous waste and waste which needs to be eliminated from the body is present in the blood, and renal artery brings this blood to the kidney. Here we can see in the image that renal artery brings the blood to the kidney, and then this blood is going to form blood capillaries, and here we can see a tuft of capillaries formed. This tuft of capillary is called as glomerulus, and this cup-shaped structure is called as Bowman's capsule. So the nitrogenous waste and water from the blood are filtered when blood passes through the capillaries of glomeruli, and all this filtered nitrogenous waste and water from the blood are received by the Bowman's capsule, which then move down the tubule. So here we can see the filtration will take place at this region, which is the glomerulus, from where the nitrogenous waste and water will enter this Bowman's capsule, and then it will pass through tubules. The second step is reabsorption. As we have seen in the first step, ultrafiltration, that blood was filtered at this region called as glomerulus, from where the nitrogenous waste and water entered the Bowman's capsule and then passed on to tubule, whereas the clean blood is now moving through this blood capillary. As the filtrate, that is nitrogenous waste and water, moves down the tubules, useful substances like sugars, amino acid, salts and water are reabsorbed in the blood through the walls of nephron, and this process is termed as reabsorption. So as this filtrate will move down the tubules, what will happen is that the wall of the nephron will be absorbing the useful things and putting it back into the blood, and this process is called as reabsorption. The next process is secretion. Even after ultrafiltration, some salt and urea are still left in the blood, which needs to be removed from the blood. So now they are secreted from the blood of capillaries into the tubules, and the remaining fluid with urea and uric acid is now called urine. So at this region we can see that secretion is taking place. That means from the blood some things like urea and salt would be entering this tubule, and then they would be passing through the collecting duct where different nephrons will be putting its secretion, and then the urine is formed which contains urea and uric acid. So these were the three steps involved in the process of urine formation. Now the urine which is formed is removed from the kidneys by ureters. We can see these two pipes coming out of the kidneys, one from each kidney. These two pipes are called as ureters, and their function is to remove the urine from the kidney. Now the urine is collected and stored temporarily in urinary bladder and is then finally disposed of through urinary opening located at the end of urethra. So here we can see this is the muscular pouch which is called as urinary bladder, and this is the urethra, that is a muscular tube, and from this urethra's opening the urine would be removed from the body. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.